Hey guys, and welcome back to another video. For this one, I'm going to be showing you a quick fix on how to fix the right-click copy-paste issue that does happen on Discord. So we all know how easy it is to copy and paste certain things using our right mouse button to choose copy, choose the right mouse button again, and then paste. But there are certain situations where Discord has this error where you are unable to right-click the text box in order to paste. So if your copy and paste using mouse does not work in the chat box, I'm going to show you how to fix that problem and bug. Just follow the steps on this video and I'll show you how to fix it. So if you're experiencing this issue, definitely you want to be on Discord. And the next thing you want to do is you want to go to your Discord settings. Do this by clicking on the gear icon on the lower left corner. From there, on the left-hand side menu of the settings, underneath the option App Settings, choose Accessibility. Now, in the accessibility screen, you're going to have to scroll down a little bit until you see the option Use the Legacy Chat Input underneath the Chat Input area. Go ahead and toggle this to be enabled. This disables most of the chat functions, but it fixes certain screen reader applications from disabling the right-click feature on Discord. So for example, if we were to Google an image right now that we wish to right-click copy and right-click paste onto our Discord chat box, it should work. Here we have an image. And let me just copy it right quick. And as you can see, after right-clicking on the chat box, which you may or may not see on the video, it now finally works after enabling legacy settings on the Discord settings menu. And there you go, the quick fix of solving this slightly annoying Discord bug. So good luck on all your future endeavors, and that's really all there is for this video today. If you have any other questions, inquiries, or reactions to this video, feel free to leave them down in a comment below. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content just like this one. So again, thank you so much for watching guys, hope this helps and we'll see you in the next one.